Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm back. I was out for a while. A little bit under the weather, but I'm back. My name is Ralph Westfield. My YouTube channel is called Sax, Cars, No More Cigars. Let's see. Got some great content for you guys. The last video, I think, was number 12. You guys were up in the city of Buck, Pennsylvania, at the Buck Motorsports Park, and they had a car demolition derby going on. I went back again this weekend, and they had a diesel truck pull and a diesel car race going on up there, and I have some great footage for you guys. So without further ado, I'd like to get this journey started. And before I do that, I want to say R.I.P. to the Queen. May she rest in peace. And it's my understanding that it is now NFL time. It is finally football season. Without further ado, I'm going to get right into Buck Motorsports Park diesel truck pulling. Thank you. Okay, Sax, Cars, No More Cigars. Here we go. See you at the Buck. Back here on a Saturday night, and we have a truck demolition. As you can see in the parking lot is full of trucks. So I'm not exactly sure what a truck demolition is, but I will certainly find out. Truck derby demolition. We're at Buck Motorsports, located in Buck, Pennsylvania. Sax, Cars, No More Cigars. So you pick up your tickets. Purchase here. Sax, Cars, No More Cigars. Sax, Cars, No More Cigars. Participate tonight. I think it's diesel only. This is going to be interesting. Again, the whole purpose of me sharing this content is to share with you some of the things that take place for the weekend in Pennsylvania. Buck, Pennsylvania.
Oh, pleasure to see each and every one of you, and boy, we've got a good booking. Thank you to all the people who brought trucks. There was a lot of them down there, different configurations, absolutely stunning. The amount of diesel pickup trucks. I wonder if you counted the value, all the vehicles we had down there, how much it would be. I mean, I'd have to break $1 million. I mean, let's do a count down there and just say, what about 30,000? It would be tremendous, wouldn't it? Gonna be tough to beat, brother. Let's hear from ya.
my channel, Sax Cars, No More Cigars. Out here at Buck Motorsports in Buck, Pennsylvania. We got a truck pull tonight. Yes. Got a lot of pickup trucks. Diesel, it's a diesel truck pull tonight. Just want to make sure I clarify that. Not regular trucks, it's diesel trucks. There you go. See them lining all up. Coming out one by one. There we go. Sax Cars, No More Cigars. Lots of people out tonight enjoying the evening. Yeah. There we go.
Scott here. Just wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and merch, it's finally here. We got some examples in. Here's the black example. We have YouTuber, Sax Cars, No More Cigars. On the back we have Sax Cars, No More Cigars. On the left arm, down here we have a saxophone emblem. On the right arm, up here, we also have another saxophone emblem. And we also have a white example of this shirt right here. Let me just unfold it. On the front, YouTuber, Sax Cars, No More Cigars. On the back, Sax Cars, No More Cigars. On the left arm, we have the saxophone emblem. Get it so you guys can see it really good. Right here, saxophone emblem. And on the right arm, we also have another saxophone emblem. So here's some examples. Let us know what you guys think of these two in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time Sax Cars No More Cigars uploads a video. Thank you.